I'm glad that every time when I teach entrepreneurship to students, I found that there are so many skills which are present which needs some guidance and training. With this respect, I am grateful to Amity School of Fashion for organizing the workshop for fashion students. So I connected few things in this workshop. I tried to connect the fashion, the sustainable development and entrepreneurial skills of the students, so that with the combination of these three areas, students can develop something new which is required in coming era, as we talk a lot about sustainable development and we need to reach our goal of United Nations by 2030. So I am hoping that these students will definitely, whatever they have learned, they will implement, they will do some projects. They can launch a collection for sustainable development in which they have learned making colors from vegetables and fruits, and out of that they can make projects, they can make collections, and they can create awareness in people for recycling, reusing and protecting environment. Thank you so much.